crisscross movement and rotary movement. You can use the both hand. So if you go 1 2 1, so this is 1, so you call that rotary movement. Then we have the crisscross movement. So when you place your hand on the client's skin, right, you go with a twist, soft twist down, kneading into the client's hand. Right, then you stretch that out. 1 2 3, go 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and pull. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, pull. And you return procedure to the next hand. So let's turn on. And so we're not going to do any polishing, nothing at all. All I did was moisturize his hand, and that was it, and buff.